this is Preeti here again. Welcome to Spoonful Easy Cooking. Today I am going to show you a very easy North Indian kind of sweet dish which my aunt taught me. So I really like this when I get this sweet cravings. The easily available item which is there at home, especially if you have kids at home, this would be there at home, I'm sure. So let me show you how to make Robusta banana sweet. For this, what I have taken here, the Robusta banana, it should not be too ripe, okay? It should be just done. This is the variety what I got over here, green one. A slight yellowish one also, you can take it. This here I have taken roundels of Robusta banana, 2 numbers. This I just kept to show you what I took. Here I have taken Jaggery, 2 tablespoons. The bananas are already sweet. So here I have taken Jaggery. A healthy version of sweet I am making. You can take brown sugar or normal sugar also according to your sweetness. Here I have taken, this is the twist in this kind of recipe. I have taken 2 cardamoms. Here I have taken dalchini, that is the cinnamon, 3-4 peppercorns, 2 cloves, and fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or saumph. These are the dry fruits you can take as per your choice, and half teaspoon of turmeric and ghee for making the sweet. So let's get started without much delay. I've kept a pan and this is my homemade ghee here. You can take 2 tablespoons of ghee. Yes, once this ghee gets heated, we'll put the whole garam masala to it. See, this is the whole garam masala and the fennel seeds. It's really tasty. Since I was a small child, I used to make this whenever I used to feel like having sweets. Robusta banana used to be always at home. So immediately we used to make it. This is the turmeric. Yes. And to this we add the bananas. The roundels. Lovely dessert. Even you can give to your kids very healthy version sweet, Kids, I am sure they will enjoy. Just give a new thing and they would be excited. Only thing at the time of having, for the kids, just guide them, the peppercorns and all they need to remove. That's it. This all gives a very good flavor to the dish. Now, after 1 or 2 minutes of toss, just add sugar or the jaggery. Here I have taken jaggery, so I am going to add jaggery syrup. Jaggery syrup is always in my refrigerator. We melt the jaggery with little water and sieve it very well and store it in the refrigerator. So whenever we want to make something of jaggery, we don't have to again, kind of melting process and all you don't have to do. So very easy. These are few small cooking tips for beginners. You can make the jaggery syrup and keep. And here for this recipe, there is no specific quantity or something. If you know little of cooking, definitely you can just here and there add little bit masalas and your creations as well. Cooking is an art and skill, So definitely you can add on. Yeah. This we will allow it to cook for at least 5 minutes in this way in lower. You can sim the gas and keep in lower flame. Just for 5 minutes. Yeah. This is almost 5 minutes. See, the sugar syrup or the jaggery syrup is almost absorbed to the banana. Now at this point we will add dry fruits. You can also fry the dry fruits in ghee and put it. This way also is okay. You can add kismis to it, you can add walnuts to it, whatever you like. Pista. This is a very healthy sweet dish. Definitely you all must try at your home. Very easy. Let the jaggery and the banana flavor also go into the dry food. Let's keep this for 2 more minutes this way in low sim gas. So that's it. Our sweet is ready. Let's switch off the gas and make sure you serve this dessert hot, because it tastes really amazing when it is little warm, and immediately you can serve this way. It really tastes good. Just garnish it with some dry fruits. So here is our healthy version of sweet ready. Do try it. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Spoonful Easy Cooking. Till then, bye-bye. See you with a new recipe.